Move to next team, New Tech. They will elaborate about their project. What is actually they are doing.
Good evening. We are New Tech. 71% of accidents in India happen due to people not wearing helmet. After wearing also helmet, there are 11% of cases all over India over the year that shows that people are driving in drunk influence, under the influence of alcohol. To overcome this and to tackle this is a small contribution, a smart helmet that has a MQ3 sensor that senses alcohol and transmits signal to the receiver side using an ESP32. There are two ESP32s, one on the receiver side and one on the transmitter side. The receiver receives a signal. This circuit will be connected in the bike itself. For the transmitter, I would like to pass on the mic to Sambhu.
So basically, there is MQ3 sensor inside the helmet where we inhale or exhale, then which is connected to an ESP32, and to power supply this MQ3 and ESP, there is a power supply and battery, which is a 5 volt, and between this there is a push key which ensures that bike rider is wearing a helmet. If the push key is not on, then the engine will not start, which ensures the helmet is necessary. Then uh, if the push key is on, like I'm wearing a helmet, the push key is on, then reset. Like if the helmet is wearing, the rider is wearing the helmet, then the engine will start, and
Battery reader.
like the alcohol is sprayed into the sensor, then the engine will stop. And the receiver side, I will like Achut to explain.
In the receiver side, we have the battery supply of the bike. Then we have the engine over here. This is the keyhole where the key is put, and this is a ESP32 connected to the battery of the bike. With in between the ESP32 and the battery, there is a step down buck module that will decrease the voltage of the battery to match the level of ESP32. And after that, ESP32 is connected to a relay module that is connected between the battery of the bike and the engine. So when the alcohol is detected, the relay module is turned off and the bike engine stops. And if the push button switch is not turned on, no signal is sent. Also, in that case, the bike will be turned off. Now, for the future aspects, I will like to pass on the mic to Mahfouz.
That future enhancements like first solar panel in the upper part of the helmet, and Type-C for charging in the of battery in the helmet, inside the helmet, and a camera module launch at the meter side of the bike for continue continue monitoring the rider wearing of helmet. Thank you.
Thank you. That's